We're here with Jacob right now, and we're talking about vacuums. We want to keep obviously our carpets nice and clean, get all that dust out of there too, and also allergens. And you've got a lot of different products that you brought here, different brands, I should say. But we're all familiar with that Dyson. Let's talk about the Dyson right now.
Absolutely, and we brought a specific kind of vacuum. These are all pet vacuums.
Okay.
Over the pandemic, people were very quick to get that new furry friend into the home.
Sure.
And so now they're realizing, how do I clean up after them? And we did a lot of in-depth testing on it, and we love the Dyson. The Dyson's super impressive. It is elite for day-to-day cleaning. Very, as promised for what it is. But it's not in everybody's budget.
No, and I got to admit, I do have this one, and it is a little pricey. So if it's not in the budget, what else do you have for us?
Well, we brought competitors from all of the big names. We've got Shark, we've got Bissell, we've got Eureka. And we tested all of these in different environments, some with a few cats, some with a few dogs. At Best Reviews, we love to put our products into real life testing environments because that's how we find answers for real people.
Okay, all right, so where do we start here? If there's somebody that, I know you've tested them, dogs and cats, which one's better for the cats?
Absolutely, well the Shark stick model that we have here is perfect for day-to-day cleaning behind a cat. We put it into an environment with two cats, two kittens. They love to get active and they love to spread their hair all over the house. We found that it was super effective, really easy, long battery life, and really good suction.
Okay, very good. And then what about the stand-ups compared to the stick ones?
Absolutely, well the stick ones are, like I said, perfect for maintenance. The stand-ups are great for that deep clean, when you kind of want to reset.
Yeah.
And my favorite that we put through the testing lab is this model here. It is so great in terms of, it's from Hoover, and it's so great for if you want to do that deep clean, you want to clear out all the furniture and get that carpet back to its original condition. This is an awesome model for that.
I like that one. Now this one looks the same, just another stand-up, but a different version, right?
A little bit different, and it gives a little bit different thing. The one commonality between these two things is that it's not super easy to carry them up and down stairs. They aren't, they aren't extremely heavy, but if you do have some issue carrying or lifting items that weigh a little bit more, these could cause some issues, and that's when you want to go to the stick. But if you're all in one level and you want to get it back, these two models are great for that.
Love those. All right, when people are thinking about buying, which way should they go? I mean, you gave some great information there. Which way should they go?
Absolutely. Well, check us out at bestreviews.com. At Best Reviews, we put our picks through the ringer. We have our experts guide us in telling us what we should be looking at. We have a cleaning expert who's great at spring cleaning, all kinds of cleaning, and she'll tell us, check out these brands, and then we put them into the testing lab, into real life environments, to get the right recommendation.
Great, and I got to admit, it's kind of fun. It's kind of a neat little thing. All right, and last time, one more time, where we go, we obviously go to Best Reviews for all of it, right?
Yep, check us out at bestreviews.com, where all we care about is simplifying your purchasing decisions.
There we go, awesome. All right, thanks a lot, Jacob.